Hello everyone, welcome to ITCS Master. I hope you are all doing well. So today we are going to see 13th part of Excel series. We are learning Excel from basic to advanced. Okay. Today our topic is if condition. We have already seen first one part of if condition. Today we will learn new in if condition. Okay. If condition is most important formula for in Excel. If you are working in any office and you are working as an accountant or data operator, so it's very useful for that. Okay, so let's begin. And before proceeding, please subscribe this channel if you are new and share with your friends and others groups. Thanks. So start. Let's start. First, if condition. I hope you have seen previous video. What is if condition? I have explained. Okay. If you have not seen, please visit there. But I am revising once. Okay. So suppose here I have a one table, that is mark sheet. Mark sheet table is very important to understand if formula. Okay. So we will see one by one. So first, what is if condition? Okay, so first I am revising with one formula, basic formula. Okay, here I need pass and fail. Okay, here I need pass and fail. So here if condition, logical test. What is logical test? What is condition? You want to see your result with pass and fail. Suppose I need if if marks obtained marks is less than of 33, then result will be fail. If marks is greater than 33, then result will be pass. Okay, so let's see here condition obtain marks. Okay, obtain marks is greater than 33. Okay, then comma, next value if true. Okay, so value true. If greater than 33, then result will be pass. Okay, otherwise, okay, if it is not greater than 33, then result will be fail. Okay, it's a syntax of if condition. If condition, then true result, and then then false result. Okay, then enter. Here you can see pass, and I am dragging. Here you can see three are pass, one is fail, because 61 is greater than 33, 55 is greater than 33, and 74 is greater than 33. But you can see 30 is less than 33, so answer is fail. I hope it is clear, and I hope what is if condition you know very well. Okay, now before go to in advance, we will see and or and not. Okay, it's very important if you are working with if condition. Okay, so first and. What is and? And means if you have, suppose you have a two statement. Okay, yeah, suppose you have a two condition, and okay, you have two condition, so and will work with two condition is if both condition means, if both means two condition, both condition are true, then result will be true. Okay, if both condition is true, then result will be true. Similarly, or if one condition is true, suppose we have two condition, but if one condition is true, then result will be true. With and, what is this with and? If both condition means two condition are true, then result will true. If one condition is true, one condition false, then answer result will be false. Okay. Not is opposite of condition. Okay. Suppose you have plus, then answer will be minus. Okay. So let's begin. Suppose I'm taking one example. Suppose there is A and B. Here two column. One means true, one means true. Then result will be true. Okay, result will be true with and condition. Okay, with and condition. Okay. Similarly, one A is 1 and then 0 with and we are seeing this with and condition. Okay. If A is 1 and B is 0, then answer is 0. 0 means false. Okay. 0 means false and 1 means true. Okay. Here I hope it is clear. If both condition is true, then result will be true. If one condition is true and one false, if single condition false and single true, then result will be false. Similarly, if we go with or condition, then with or condition it will be true, because if any one condition is true, then answer will be true. I hope it is clear. Okay. And with not, suppose value is 1, then answer will be 0. Okay. It is opposite. I hope it is clear. If you are in doubt, just post your comment. Now let's see with one example. Okay. Okay, let's see with one example. Here I am typing if. Okay. And here you can see one and logical test, and I am taking two condition. Okay, I am taking two condition, that is suppose given value of 10 marks is greater than 33, and second condition. Okay, and second condition and given value. Okay, given value is 63 and second condition is then okay, second condition is and less than 65. Okay, I have taken one condition. If okay, you can see if it is greater than 33 and less than 65. Okay, less than 65, then what will be answer? Then answer, if this condition will match, then answer will A. If does not match, then B. Okay, and enter. Okay, I have something. Okay, what is this? What the issue? One condition is there. If bracket start. Okay, I have not closed this bracket, and this will be here. And okay, I think there is some issue. A statement starting, then answer, fail and pause. Okay, and bracket start, and then if this condition is closed and it will not here, then it will not take here. Okay, then answer. Okay, there was some there are some bracket issue. Okay, now you can see result. Okay, here you can see what is our condition. You can see if here I have taken two condition. If condition greater than 33 but less than 65, if this condition is matching in both case, then answer will be A. But otherwise answer will be B. So here you can see 61 marks, which is greater than 33 but less than 65. So answer will be A, right? Similarly, if it is greater than 55, greater than 33, and greater than 33 and less than 65, then answer will be A. Next, next you can see, if greater than 33 but it is less than, but first condition is if greater than 33, it is not greater than 33 but it is less than 64. Okay, because one condition is failed because it is not greater than 33, so answer will be B. I hope it is clear. Similarly, if we go to 74, then you can see it is greater than 33. Okay, it is greater than 33 but not less than 65, then answer is B. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you are in doubt, just post your comment. Okay, similarly, if I take this with OR, okay, here I am mentioning OR, okay, and enter. Now what is answer? Here you can see all result are same, means all result are A, means one condition is true. Then if we talk about OR, if one condition is true, then answer will be true. Okay, so you can cross verify. Okay, it is 33 greater than 33, 61, okay, true. It is greater than 55, it is true. Okay, similarly, it is greater than 33, no, false, this condition false, but this is less than 65, one condition is matching, so answer will be A. It means answer is true because one condition is matching. Similarly, if we go to 74, it is 74 is greater than 33. Okay, 74 is greater than 33 but not less than 63, one condition is missing. Okay, because it is greater than 33, so answer is A. I hope it is clear. Okay, so in next video we will learn long formula with if condition, how to use nested if then condition and or condition, and okay, if you have any doubts, just post your comment, and please subscribe and share with your, also please share with your friends. Okay, thank you, धन्यवाद.